This is Andrew E. and I would like to inform you and I would like to invite all our friends in Japan that I will be having a show at Barrio Fiesta on September 28 and 29 at Yamashita Koen, Yokohama. And at the same time, I would like to greet all the staff of Mr. Matsui, especially Miss Grace Iwata, Donna Sugahara, Isabel Gira, and the Club Refuge Kawaguchi staff. And at the same time, also their master, Mr. Richard Drogado, Mama Myra of Club Mirai, Daniel of Tokatsu Foods, La Banana Resto, Miss Liza and Demi of Bulacan Resto, Warabi, Tambayan Resto, Omiya, of Mr. Edwin Sardena. Kaya mga kaibigan, don't you never forget, magkita-kita tayo September 28 and 29, 2013 sa Barrio Fiesta, Yamashita Koen, Yokohama. This is Andrew E. Domo arigato, yoroshiku ne.